Hello everybody, how you guys doing? Robert here for Cook for Your Wife. Today we're going to do a mushroom, onion, garlic risotto. I have everything already laid out here and prepared. We're just going to jump right in. I got my Power Pressure Cooker XL right here with 2 tablespoons of butter in it. It's already hot. Now we're going to put some fresh garlic in it. Putting 3 cloves of garlic. I got 2 medium onions already diced up. We're going to put that in. I got 2 8-ounce packages of mushrooms. I sliced up already. Now I will tell you, we just got back from camping. My wife's been sick for a week and we have not been able to make this risotto. I was going to make it at the campground, but so we washed these mushrooms and drained them on a paper towel and put them in a paper towel, another paper towel, and put them in a Ziploc bags. And these mushrooms have been in our camper and now in the house for a week, and they look just like they're fresh. No brown, no anything. I just got done slicing them up. So little tip there, keeping them nice and dry, and they last quite a long time. So I'm going to add the mushrooms. Okay. Let me let you see what that looks like in here. Keep you informed. So we're going to let that cook down for a few minutes, sauteing them, the garlic, the butter, the onions, and the mushrooms. And then we'll go to the next step. So the rice I'm using for the risotto is Arborio, if I'm saying that correctly. We found this at Aldi's, and then they had a clearance on them, and we bought like 4 containers of it, 3 containers, whatever it was. And it's really, really good. It even says it absorbs the flavor on top, and it's perfect for risotto. There's another rice that people use for risotto. I can't remember the name of it offhand, but I really liking this so far. I also grated a nice hard block of Parmesan cheese. I grated that fresh. That we'll put in when it's done. This is my first time making this mushroom, onion, garlic risotto, I guess I'm going to call it. So I'm kind of winging it. I did look up a few recipes online, what I could find, and I didn't like some of them. Some of them put cream of mushroom soup in it. I didn't care for that. I don't know how I'm going to do it. It's going to turn out. I'm hoping that I can get the flavor of the mushroom into the rice, and so it tastes like a mushroom risotto. So we shall find out, of course. Okay, we got the mushrooms and the onions cooked down. You'll see the onions are a little translucent in color. I'll give you a look of that. So now we're ready to put the 2 cups of rice. So open this up. I thought I had everything ready, but it's apparent that I did not. So we got our 1 cup measure here. They like to bounce around. There's 1 cup and 2 cups. So at least 2 cups left in this container, so the next time I make it, I don't have to measure it. Okay, we're going to mix that around. Okay, I'm going to give you a quick look. Of course, excuse the camera shake. See how nice that looks? Now we're going to add the wine. I got 3/4 cup of wine right here. White wine. Add that in, and we're going to cook that in until the wine is absorbed into the rice. So we're going to let that just cook. And on top of that, we're going to put in our 1 tablespoon of basil. And we're going to put in some seasoning salt, just a 1/2 tablespoon. Mix that around real good. Now we're going to let that cook until everything is absorbed, which don't take too long. Okay, as you can see, the white wine has pretty much absorbed all into the rice. Okay, now we're going to add 6 cups of chicken stock. Here's 2. Here's 4. We're going to mix that around really good. Okay, then we're going to hit the cancel. Now we're going to hit rice risotto, and we're going to bump it up to 10 minutes. And we're going to put the lid on it. Lock it. Make sure the steamer is off. And we will come back when that's done, and I'll give you a look at what that looks like. We're back. So we have about 10 minutes. The pressure cooker has sealed itself, and we have 10 minutes left to see if it's going to turn out. And I know that everybody likes, on reality TV, they like to add the little drama to it to make it seem like, oh my gosh. So here we go. So cue the drama scene. I know, Pam, it was our last $20. I know what you told me to do. I know you told me to go to White Castle and buy as many White Castle burgers as I can. I get we don't have no food in the house, but I wanted to make risotto. I'm hoping it turns out. I know the smart choice is probably White Castle. I know we need to eat, and I know if we don't like this risotto, we'll probably throw it outside for our cow, goats, chickens to eat. But we got to try something. That's it. That's all I got. I'll be back in a little bit. And there we have it. Mushroom risotto. All right, guys. I will catch you later. As always, thank you very much for watching and supporting our channel. See you guys later. Bye.